Welcome to Makgadikgadi Pens National Park through Gomara Gate. This place is known for its spectacular zebra migration. The zebra migration starts from Ngqe National Park through Makgadikgadi Pens to Butitirifu. Zebras congregate here in large numbers, and the only thing you can hear and enjoy are the zebras' sounds and barking. It is truly an incredible spectacle, and the best time to visit Gomara will be the months of June, July, August and September, when Butiti River is flowing. So yeah, if you've got some time, head out to Gomara and enjoy the spectacle.